Hi, today I want to talk to you about what the heck? We're just going to continue like this and don't care about what my voice sounds like, okay? Hi, how are you? My voice recovered? It's the joy of helium balloons, if you know what I mean. Here is the item I want to talk to you about today. Not this tripod, not this ball head, but this thing here that I attached to the tripod. It was on back order for a long time, but I finally got it delivered to me. It's a device from Joby that they are selling as an update to their tripods. In fact, it's made for it, not this. But as you may know, I've talked about this in other videos. I'm not a huge fan of these Joby tripods. I prefer this one here from Siri. Oh, you pronounce it, I can't. Siri. I had this device on my tripod before. There's a tripod screw attachment, and then there's these two things you notice. Maybe if you're in flash photography, you notice. But as you can see, it is a lot bigger than this one here. And so in order for me to take this in the field, I had to do a lot of uninstalling, and it never is really secure because you have to uninstall, reinstall, uninstall, reinstall all the time. So when I saw this one, I was very impressed with it because it comes with two little almost like octopus arms that you can install on either side of the tripod, and then not like turn it to any which way you want, or you can just have one of them, or you can have both of them if you're so inclined. So having this device instead of this, that brings the two things pretty much to the same distance. It's just a lot easier to go when you're trying to grab this and run. You throw these arms with their respective attachments in your bag, and then if you need them, you attach them. If you don't need them, you don't attach them. But the thing stays firmly on the tripod with or without these arms attached, and it's just a lot smaller, and it's just a lot easier to carry around with. Now, it also comes with the strap. As you can see here, there are two spots for the strap to go. And then if you want to install the whole thing around a tree or something where this tripod is just not big enough to go, you can actually install it on there and tighten it, or you can carry the whole thing around your neck, or not your neck, but around cross body or something. It has just this strap attachment, which, you know, I don't think I'm ever going to use because I have a bag. I'm really happy with this now. It's really well made. It's light. It's very versatile. It was this one I was always worried about poking somebody's eyes out, and it's just big and unwieldy. And this one you just leave on. You install these or you don't, and you can install them any which way you want. I think if you are a vlogger and you're believing you want to be out and about, and you just have this one tripod that you want to use, and if you don't want to have this attached to it the whole time, because it's just, you can't put that in a camera bag, let's face it, then this is the way to go. And as you see, you can install it on other tripods. It doesn't have to be a Joby tripod. If you're worried about spending yet another $100 on a Joby tripod that only has a lifetime of about a year, if you, depending on how much you use it, sometimes even less, and install it on a regular old tripod. Install it on something that you're liking, that you're carrying around, that you're going to use, that you're going to be happy with, and it's not going to be taking up a lot of room in your camera bag. In fact, this little thing fits in the exact same spot as it fit before. So, and I installed it firmly with the tightening screws, so I'm not taking this off anymore. I'm just leaving it on because it's not as, like I said, it's not as big as that one. So yeah, this was a little update on a recent purchase I had. It seems there's never an end to what you could add to your repertoire if you're into vlogging like me.
So I hope you enjoyed this little update, and I hope it was helpful for you. And I hope I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!